ẹ káalẹ́ ní gbogbo ibikíbi tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ káàárọ̀ ẹ káàsán ẹ káalẹ́ ní gbogbo ibikíbi tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ wa ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ ní èdè òyìnbó. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching us from. Today is the 22nd of September 2024. Òní ni ọjọ́ kejìlélógún oṣù kẹsàn-án ọdún 2024. Ibi báyìí náà ni a wà ní Yoruba National Unity Day. Thanks for joining live. A wà ní Yoruba National Unity Day. Please drop in the comment box. Mo fẹ́ mọ̀ bóyá ohùn wa ó dá gere. Mo fẹ́ mọ̀ bóyá ohùn wa ó já gere. Once again, Koikimedia bringing the word closer to your doorsteps. Yoruba National Unity Day. Yeah. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ tí broadcast yìí tí ó bá clear. Thanks for joining live. Ẹ kò bá mi drop comments. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ tí broadcast yìí tí ó bá clear, both the voice and the video tó bá clear. So, yeah, once again, today is the 22nd of September 2024, and the time is 11:58 Watt Nigerian time. Yeah, good. Thank you very much. A wà ní Yoruba National Unity Day tí wọ́n ń ṣe ní Ọ̀ṣun State ní Ilé-Ifẹ̀. Ilé-Ifẹ̀ náà ni a wà ní inú Ọbáfẹ́mi Awólọ́wọ̀ University Ilé-Ifẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá ń bọ̀, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan ni a fi máa hàn yín ní òní. A máa fi ìfọ̀rọ̀wánilẹ́nuwò náà hàn yín. We are going to be making some interviews and showing you some things and letting you know the dignitaries that are going to be on ground today. Ẹ ṣé gan ni Mr. Kolawole KSK, thanks for joining live. Once again, today is the 22nd of September 2024. Fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá ń bọ̀ láti Èkó, láti Ìbàdàn, láti ibikíbi tó ṣàjọmọ́ Èkó, láti Ìbàdàn, anywhere, tí ẹ bá ń bọ̀ ní ọ̀nà tó ń lọ láti Ìbàdàn báyìí, this is people going back to Ìbàdàn. Àwọn ọkọ̀ tẹ́ rí yìí ó ń padà lọ sí Ìbàdàn ni. Gbogbo ọkọ̀ tẹ́ rí yìí straight by Ìbàdàn ni. It is straight, it is a straight road from Ìbàdàn to Ifẹ̀. So tẹ́ bá ti ń lọ báyìí, Ìbàdàn ni ó ń lọ báyẹn. So ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ń bọ̀ láti Ìbàdàn, ẹ ti mọ̀ pé tẹ́ bá ti ń bọ̀ directly láti Ìbàdàn wá sí Ifẹ̀. Once tẹ́ bá ti dé ibi bridge yìí, once you get to this bridge, it's all good. Ẹ ti dé ibi tẹ́ ń lọ. The only thing for you is kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wọnúlé sí inú university tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe, and they will be doing the symposium and the cultural display. Yeah, ní ọ̀la wọ́n máa ṣe symposium àti cultural display. So once tẹ́ bá ti dé ibi bridge yìí, just know that the next thing for you is to move in. Ẹ kò máa wọ ní university yẹn lọ. So let's just show you some few things that you need to know today. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi díẹ̀ nínú àwọn nǹkan tí ẹ ní láti mọ̀ ní òní ká fi hàn yín. Once tẹ́ bá ti dé bí university gate, ẹ máa lọ tààràtà. Ẹ jẹ́ ká cross the other side kẹ́ ẹ lè rí bí ó ṣe ń lọ. So ibi báyìí náà ni ẹ máa gbà wọlé ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá ti ń wọlé bọ̀. Tẹ́ bá ti rí, once you turn, tẹ́ bá ti turn, okay, cross. If you're bringing a car, you know that you are coming from Ibadan. You turn, you make a turning, and ẹ ti máa wo ibi báyìí. So when you see all those things, you know that okay, you are at the right place. So you just keep moving. I'm gonna show ibi gate fún yín, so that for those of you that are coming, you're not going to be confused. À ń ṣe gbogbo eléyìí nítorí ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá ń bọ̀ from Abuja, from anywhere, kí ọ̀nà bá lè dàrú lójú, so you don't get confused. Once again, today is the 22nd of September 2024. We're live here at the Yoruba National Unity Day. Àwọn lọ́balọ́ba, níjòyè, àwọn chiefs and many other people, Kábíyèsí Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀, pẹ̀lú gbogbo wọn náà ni wọ́n máa wà ní ìkàlẹ̀ ní ibi báyìí ní ọ̀la. Today is the arrival. Also, let me know if the voice is clear enough for the broadcast I am doing presently. Yeah, thanks for joining live. Please drop a comment if you're watching. Drop comment sí ẹ bá ń wò. So University Gates, Obafemi Awolowo University, that's the OAU. This is the gate. So ẹ̀yin ẹ bá ń bọ̀, you already know where to put on to. So University Gates, òun náà ni ẹ̀ ń rí yìí. Yeah, thanks for joining live once again. Today is the 22nd of September 2024. Yeah, ẹ ti máa rí banner yìí náà ní ibi báyìí. You would have seen this banner. It has been pasted here. So let me go closer to it so to make it more clearer for you. Yoruba National Unity Day, 23rd of September 2024. A day of peace, unity, music, dance, drama, food and fashion. A day of peace. Wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa peace ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, bí gbogbo ẹ ṣe lè gún régé. Wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa unity, ìdàpọ̀ ìpapọ̀ in one mind to achieve our goal. Wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa music, àwọn olórin lóòrèkóòrè ni wọ́n máa wà ní ìkàlẹ̀. Wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn dance, àwọn eléré ìtàgé, ijó ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, just to celebrate ẹ mọ̀, gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn tí wọ́n mọ̀ nípa àṣà àti ìṣe ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. We know that so many things have been abated, so many things have been left out, so many things have been killed down. Nítorí the civilization or whatsoever it's being called. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan náà ni wọ́n ti yọ kúrò tí ó dẹ̀ yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀, and it's just like we are killing our Yoruba, our ancestral heritage, which is not supposed to be ancestral heritage wa náà. Púpọ̀ náà ni àti yọ kúrò tí ó sì yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Drama, àwọn eré ìtàgé, àwọn àwọn tí wọ́n máa ń ṣe fíìmù, eré ìtàgé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀. Oúnjẹ lóòrèkóòrè bí mo tiẹ̀ ṣe débi wọ́n ní wàá jẹlá fún o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ọmọ Ẹ̀gbá ni mí. Ẹ̀gbá lọ bí mi sí Ẹ̀gbá ni mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kébí sí ọmọ Ẹ̀gbá, mo lè fẹ́ ṣí Pepsi. Okay, so màá jẹlá fún, màá jẹ àmàlà, màá jẹ gbogbo ẹ̀ báyẹn lóòrèkóòrè. And also the fashion part of it, oríṣiríṣi aṣọ náà ni ẹ máa rí, bó ti jẹ́ pé mo ti ń rí oríṣiríṣi lónìí already. So you're going to be seeing different kind of wears. The theme is going to be eternal security and peace in Yoruba land. 138 years after the end of the Kiriji War and 201 years after the Fulani invasion. 22nd September symposium, seminar, 23rd September cultural festival, 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. See you there. We're going to be showing you more other things, so let's just move forward. Mo lérò pé ẹ̀ ń gbádùn broadcast wa. So àwọn èèyàn náà ni wọ́n ti ń dé, people already Yeah. Move out. Yes. Okay. So for those who don't still know, it's about today emigrate at Mamo Bioshin law. Don't worry, the security is tight and everything is going on well. Let's should we use the remaining one? Let's use they are in the cafe Okushi documentary. Pẹ̀lú interviews and all those things. So we are going to be coming back live now, okay? Thank you very much, Ẹ ṣé gan ni.